Hey, welcome to GiveMeApps, your app mall, the #1 independent app store. Today we're checking out Scanner Translator. This is by Nair Abu Sood. This is for the iPad and iOS devices. With this app, you can unlock a world of seamless translating and scanning with the Scanner Translator app. Scan and translate text from documents, photos, PDFs, books, change docs into PDFs, and more. Guys, some of the main features include a mobile scanner. You can translate documents. You can use it anywhere. You can automatically and manually scan objects. You can do multi-page scanning. You can protect files, and there is a file manager. There's improved scanning quality. You can also add some electronic signatures. There's advanced editing. You can extract text from images, share PDF and JPEG files. You can print documents and upload PDF and images. Guys, there is so much to break down in this app. We're going to go over the main features here. What makes this app stand out is that there are so many features. This right here is the main screen. When you download the app, you are prompted to either try out the free trial, and there are also some membership tier options that we'll explore later. If you take a look here, here's our main screen. We're going to bring this device closer to the camera. We're going to focus in a bit here. Now take a look at some of the options here. If we bring our device down, you can see that we have a lot of options here at the bottom of the screen. You have your markup icon, you have your signature icon here. You also have, take a look here, your scanner icon, your print icon, and your sharing icon. You have some other options here. You can see a scan that we did of this image here, rather a document. And once you scan the document, you can manipulate the text or just translate straight away to many different languages. We're going to show you how this works on camera using the same exact document. Let me just bring this device down a bit, and we'll focus down again because we're bringing this closer to the table. Now take a look here. We are going to get rid of this, what we scanned earlier. We're going to delete this. And here we go. You can see that the camera is now primed to scan something. Now we're going to scan this text you see here. And what's really cool is that the app already picks up on the text that's there. You'll see these little squares popping up here. All right, and it does it automatically. Automatically, look at that. Okay, so we can now go to the document and we can now translate. Now, just so you know, this document here, this is a Vistaprint card, and it says right here, it says everything, we're gonna focus in, it says everything your business needs for the holidays, we print that. You can see Meraki down there, that's one of the objects you can see on the card. So we're gonna take this out of the view now, out of the frame. We're gonna bring this back up to the camera, and let's work first by translating the text on the document. You're gonna simply tap on this icon here, and once you do that, the translation begins. Now, if you look, you can see that we have auto and English. And what's really cool about this is that you can switch between many different languages. Take a look there. You have English, Arabic, Bulgarian, Catalan, Chinese, Czech, Danish, Dutch. The list goes on and on. Japanese, Polish, Portuguese, Romanian, Serbian, Spanish, Thai. We're going to stick with English for now. But once you do that, you simply tap on Translate. Now, before you even do that, take a look at the text here. Everything that we just spoke about. Meraki. Chocolate Day, sales off for the holidays. We print that. Meraki, paper bags, premium chocolate. It goes on and on and on. You can see some of the sale information here. Now, what's really cool also is that you can also play back the text. Now, listen to this.
Meraki Arts Meraki Remium Chocolate Day Sale 5 off no in store hocolet.com.
So cool accessibility there. You can play back the text. You can hear it via audio. You can see there that we have the auto English. If we select another language, let's go to Spanish very quickly. We can tap on that, and let's see what happens. Okay, and it does translate. Wow, pretty cool. We didn't do that before in the pre-overview, but it says todo lo que su negocio necesita para las fiestas. So it is doing an accurate translation there. We can go back to English, and that was as simple as just tapping on the language you want to translate it to. And there we are. You see that it's checked off now. And we're going to go back and tap on Translate, and it should go back to English. Great job. It did it. It did it. It did it. We're going to bring this closer to the camera so you can see. This is quite remarkable. All right, so right off the bat, you have this translation feature. I mean, the app's name is Translator Scanner. So right there, you see what's going on. Now, from there, you have some other icons we'll focus in. You can see that we have the camera, the library, and share. You can save all of these documents to your library. So we have that done. Now we can get out of here quickly by tapping on this. And let's take a look at some of the other features here. Now we can mark up the document. You have some filters you can work with, which is pretty cool. We can go black and white. We have, it looks like sepia or a lighter version of black and white with some more grays. You have these colors here, and take a look at that. So you have some filters you can work with, so you can manipulate the document that you just scanned. We have this icon here. Let's take a look at that. We also have this. You can crop if you want to. So we can, do one of these. You see it says crop there. So we can bring that in and take a look. It's not just relegated to a square. You can come up with some different combinations. We can tap on crop and done. And take a look there. Now it has been cropped. Now we have some other items here. Take a look. We can go with the signature. Now create a signature so you can use it. You can see that pops up. We're going to focus in so you can see that a little better. Make it more crisp. And we can create the signature. We'll just come up with anything right now. We'll just put that, okay? And we'll save that by tapping on save. And it says here, once again, you're getting the same item. Create a signature. So we have that signature saved already. We can tap on cancel and we can get out of here. So we now have the signature there. If we tap on that, now take a look there. Your signature pops up. That's the signature we just created. And we can add the plus icon or to create a new one or just use it. And it's there. It's actually on the document. We're going to zoom in a bit, or rather bring it closer to the camera. It's faint, but you can see it. We could have made that thicker if we wanted to, but that's a nice addition there. So you see it says place the signature. And when you're done, you're done. So it's now there, and it's on our document. Now we can go back into our document if we want to. But what's really cool is that it's on our library, which is even nicer. So we can go back to the app here with the document search. Take a look at the library icon. We can click on this. If we click on the library icon, we can bring back our document into view. So there it is. Let's go back again. I'm going to click on that one more time. We just don't want to drop the device here. We'll click on the, bring it to the other hand. Click on this, and we can select the document we were working with before. Let's, again, work with the focusing on the camera. Okay, and we can select any of these documents to continue working with, which is nice. There it is. And once we have that going, we can then continue to work with what we were doing. All right. So let's go in and scan something else just to show off some of the other features here. This time we're going to use a book. So we're going to bring this device back down. We are going to focus back in on the camera. You can see that the screen is black because it's on the table. We have this book here called .com Secrets. We'll open up this book. I'll just scan something at random. So let's see what happens here. We'll just bring this over the book. You can't see this well. It's out of focus, which is fine. We're just going to scan here. And what I love about this is it just does it. I don't have to press a button, right? It was out of focus, but you can see that our document is now there. We can now click on the document. We'll do it one more time, just so you can see it better. We have it now, again, focused better. Take a look here. Now look at that document search. All we need to do is put it over, or we can continue using that. We'll just delete that there. Let's go. Document search to scan. We can take a picture of it, or it'll do it automatically. We're going to do it manually this time. And we have our document now. So let's go to our document. You can see it there. Okay, and take a look here. There it is. So we can once again go with the whole translate deal. And oh, this is great. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Now, believe me, this is not, I'm not acting right now. I'm actually impressed with how fast this works, how seamless it is. And we use a book this time, so we're getting a lot of text to work with. We're going to bring this closer to the screen. And guys, normally we do these overviews for a couple of minutes. We're almost 10 minutes in because we really like what we're working with here. So just take a look at that text to understand the strategy for the page, the sales scripts, the the hooks and stories, as well as how to structure the specific page, page one, the squeeze, or landing page. You're getting all this information here, right? Again, of course, we can play it back.
This bow understand the strategy for the page, the sales scripts, the hooks and story.
Awesome stuff. Okay, so we have that to work with now. We're going to go back here, and we have the other options here. Let's just show you. You have the print option, which is nice. We'll focus in on the camera. Take a look there. No printer selected, but you can create more than one copy if you wanted to. You have the orientation, portrait, and landscape, which is pretty nice. We'll get out of there. We'll cancel that. You also have this here. This is the big one, guys. The whole point of the app, you can create PDFs and Jpegs, which you can share. You have different icons here. We're just going to focus the camera. You can email. You can select JPEG or PDF. And if we click on these 3 dots here, well, we already have the image scanned, but just know that once you do this, you can send the PDF elsewhere, okay? So you just select that there. Take a look there. We just selected that. 3 dots. And see there, it says PDF document. We can send it. We can airdrop it. There's a whole bunch of things that we can do. Guys, we spent about 10 minutes with this. This app is remarkable. Listen, this is not the first scanner app that we've done an overview of, but we like the fact that, number one, you have all of these options. It's not just a scanner app or a PDF. Save these documents as PDFs. The translations are pretty accurate. The scanning is really good. You can see that we didn't even have this page laid flat and straight, and it still translated all of the items here. And part of that is because we're doing this on camera. But again, you have all of these different options. And of course, you have the library that's going to have all of the stuff that we've scanned. Take a look there. A nice way to organize all of your stuff. Guys, we're going to give this a 5 out of 5. No joke. This is a really, really good app. We're being very, very, very genuine here. This developer has other apps as well. Once again, this is Scanner Translator. This is by Nair Abu Sood. It's designed for the iPad, but it works on all iOS devices. You can see we're using an iPod Touch here, and it works seamlessly. It works. When it works, it works. It does a great job. We hope you enjoyed this. Guys, we're 11 minutes in. Scanner Translator. Download it now. Check it out. Let us know what you think about it. Leave some comments below. Create a response video with you using the app and showing us or our viewers how well it works and what you use this for. This could be used in business, for school, and a whole host of situations. We like the app a lot, guys. Once again, Scanner Translator. This is the GiveMeApps YouTube channel. GiveMeApps is the world's #1 independent app store. We hope you enjoyed this as much as we did. Till next time.